OMG, my new rocks have arrived! I'm so excited. They have all like new rock security seal and stuff everywhere. And it says they're 2 kilograms on the other side where it has the address. So I'm excited to look at them. Let's open them up. Just gonna cut them open. I'm just gonna rip these things off. Remember, kids, don't use your nails to pick. Look at the tape in my eye. I wish I could keep the tape. Oh my god, it's so close, the moment of opening. Oh, it's a box within a box! It looks a bit damaged here. Well, actually, it just looks highly damaged. I hope they're okay, my babies. I just wiped this box with alcohol off screen because I'm crazy like that. So I think you get it. So let's see them. I'm so excited. I have one pair of new rocks, but I bought them at a shop in London, so I got to try them on and stuff. So these are my first ones that I've got online. So I don't know what they look like, and I'm excited to see. Well, I mean, I've tried a similar pair to these in London as well, and I was really obsessed with them, but they were like £200, and they're really small. Like mine were, the ones I have were also like £200 or something, but they're like ankle, they're like calf, mid-calf or something, so they seem like more worth it than these ones. These are like really tiny. Are you ready to see them? Okay, so they're wrapped in really rock paper. Oh my god, look at them. The camera is far too close. Let me try to push it up. But look at them! They're crazy! They're like... Oh my god, I love them. Oh, I don't really like that. The shoelaces are like not attached, but I hope they're easy to manage. Oh, there's like booklets, but they're inside the shoe. Oh my god. Wild leathers. Oh, they're just like advertising different new rocks. And these are not my style because I need it to be highly platformed. None of that flat stuff. But these are cute though. And this one, I want this one. I think it's the next one I'm gonna buy. Yeah, for sure. I guess this is their new style, so it gets a little booklet by itself. Oh, they're new and nobody's ever tried them on. They look really big actually. I hope they're my size. What does it say on the box? Okay, they say they're my size on the box. Much stuff in the box. This is my first New Rocks box because when I got mine in London, I had to abandon the box because I couldn't take it in my luggage on the plane. So I got them with no box. So, but this one is highly damaged, so it's still a bit disappointing. But I was gonna take this off because let's just open them up and see what they're like. Alright, so this. I'm not 100% sure what the shoelaces are like. I'm gonna take all these, well, just this bit off because it's a bit too teenagery for me. Like, I'm old. I think I'll keep the other little bits. I don't know. Let's see. My other ones, I have the ribbon, the shoelaces replaced with ribbons, so I've not decided if I'm gonna do that with these. But we will see, I guess, after I try them on. And okay, they look better with how they're originally intended. With the other stuff on the shoelaces, I guess. Oh my god, it says New Rock on the shoelaces. I'm not sure if it says that on my other ones, because I don't actually know where they are. It's like leather, then shoe holder, the shoelace holder, and then leather again, so. Yeah, so these aren't vegan. These are fully leather. That's how I like my shoes. And there you can, I'm not sure if you can see the tag inside it. Now I'm probably gonna try them on. Okay, I just have them on the floor, so I'm gonna try them on for the first time. Oh my god. Okay, they feel amazing. The size is kind of tight, to be honest. Like, if I had long toenails, I'd probably be hitching the front of it. This one has a little scuff here. But I think it's just like glue or something from when they were making them. So. Alright, that's how it should be. I don't know where you tie it. I guess you tie it like here. And then you hide it or what? Yeah, they feel cushiony and nice. And they feel quite light when you have them on. They feel heavy when you're just like handling them around. Yeah, so I think I do like them with these things. I didn't think I would, but I do like them with this. So I'm gonna put them back on to this one. But I think I'll get rid of this because that's a bit too much. Because I want to wear them with dresses, so I want them to be a bit more girly. Yeah, I love them. They fit perfectly. Fail! I'm gonna cheat and just take that off. Put that back on. Yeah, these are surely not made to have the laces relaced because this just isn't happening. Okay, I can get it as far as here, but then how do I get it back in there? Magic! I want to take him for a walk, but it's like raining so crazily outside, which is good with these, but still, they're new. I don't want them to get in the rain. So maybe tomorrow. I'll finish the video off tomorrow. Rubber is stuck there. Oh my god, they're so heavy.